Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we have some groundbreaking news that is going to shake up the world of professional photography and videography. If you're a Canon enthusiast or someone looking to upgrade your camera gear, you're in for a treat. The Canon EOS R3 Mark II is on the horizon, and it's packed with massive upgrades that could make it the best mirrorless camera in its class. Stick around as we break down all the rumored specs, features, release details, and pricing information. The original Canon EOS R3 was a game-changer, setting new standards for professional mirrorless cameras. However, photographers and videographers have been eagerly waiting for improvements, and Canon appears to have listened. The upcoming EOS R3 Mark II is expected to push the boundaries even further, with significant advancements that cater to both still photography and high-end video production. One of the biggest rumored upgrades is the sensor. While the original R3 featured a 24MP sensor that delivered outstanding results, sources suggest that the R3 Mark II could see a completely redesigned sensor, potentially exceeding 30MP. But that's not all. There are strong indications that Canon might introduce a global shutter. Imagine having zero rolling shutter effects and an instant readout, making it perfect for sports and action photographers who demand split-second precision. The improvements don't stop there. Canon is said to be making significant advancements in dynamic range, possibly offering up to 2 additional stops compared to the original R3. This means photographers shooting in challenging lighting conditions will have more flexibility to capture stunning images. Additionally, the new sensor is rumored to feature enhanced noise reduction, making high ISO shots cleaner than ever before. If you often shoot in low-light environments, this upgrade will be a game-changer for your workflow. Let's talk about video capabilities because this is where the R3 Mark II is expected to truly shine. The original R3 was no slouch in the video department, but the Mark II is rumored to take it a step further. Industry insiders suggest that Canon might unlock 8K 60 frames per second RAW recording, a massive leap forward for content creators. This feature alone could make it a powerhouse for filmmakers and YouTubers looking to produce high-resolution content. But how will Canon handle the infamous overheating issues? If reports are accurate, the R3 Mark II will introduce a revolutionary cooling system that allows for unlimited recording times, even at higher resolutions and frame rates. This would be a massive improvement, especially for professionals who need reliability in extended shooting sessions. Along with better cooling, Canon is rumored to be enhancing its autofocus system with AI-driven tracking. This could mean more accurate subject detection, improved face and eye tracking, and even the ability to predict movement before it happens. Perfect for sports and wildlife photographers. In terms of design, the Canon EOS R3 Mark II is expected to retain the beloved form factor of its predecessor while introducing subtle yet significant ergonomic improvements. The grip is rumored to be slightly redesigned for better comfort, and the button layout may see refinements to enhance usability. If you spend long hours shooting, these changes will make handling the camera even more intuitive and comfortable. Let's move on to storage and connectivity. Canon is rumored to equip the R3 Mark II with dual CF Express Type B card slots. This upgrade will be a huge deal for professionals who need blazing fast speeds and redundancy for critical work. The latest reports suggest that these slots will support even faster write speeds, possibly exceeding 1000 megabytes per second, making them ideal for high-resolution burst shooting and 8K RAW recording. On the connectivity front, the R3 Mark II is expected to feature Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. This might not sound like a huge deal at first, but in practical terms, it means significantly faster file transfers. Imagine being able to send high-resolution images or 8K video footage wirelessly at speeds rivaling direct cable connections. This is particularly beneficial for sports photographers who need to send images to editors in real time or wedding photographers working on same-day previews. Now, let's talk battery life. According to reports, the R3 Mark II will feature a completely redesigned battery system that could offer up to 40% more shooting time compared to the original R3. Given the high-powered features that the camera is rumored to have, an improved battery life is a welcome addition for professionals who shoot all day. Of course, one of the most anticipated aspects is the price and availability. Based on industry leaks, the Canon EOS R3 Mark II is expected to be priced between $6,400 and $6,700, making it a premium investment. While this is higher than the original R3's launch price of $5,999, the technological advancements justify the increase. If these rumors hold, professionals who rely on their gear daily will likely find the cost well worth it. As for the release date, sources suggest that Canon is planning to announce the EOS R3 Mark II at CP Plus 2025, with availability shortly after. This timeline makes sense as it would position Canon strongly against its competitors early in the year. If you've been waiting for an upgrade, this could be the perfect time to invest in the latest cutting-edge technology. So, what does all of this mean for photographers and videographers? If the rumored specs are accurate, the Canon EOS R3 Mark II could be one of the most significant upgrades in the professional mirrorless camera space. The combination of a higher resolution sensor, global shutter, AI-powered autofocus, 8K 60 frames per second raw video, improved connectivity, and longer battery life makes this camera a powerhouse for both still and video shooters.